Let's get them axles out. So for this, there's 4 bolts. Here, here, down here, and over there. You can see them. Gonna pop them out of there. Luckily, they have this little hole here. You can line up and actually use the socket. Put the little axle retaining ring. Then we pop it out of there. That shouldn't come out that easy. So this side was a little bit more stubborn. You're gonna have to bust out the slide hammer. Let's see what happens. Well, let's give her a go. Perfect. If you've never smelt gear oil coming out, it's a very distinct smell. The splines look pretty good too.